Good day, McVeigh, and happy Tuesday. Good morning, boys and girls. Okay, let's get to our Get Smart projects. So, the first one is on polar bears. And so, take a look. This is very elaborate. That means like fancy and well done and a lot of information. So, what you can see here are pictures of polar bears and then fun facts about polar bears. So, for example, uh, polar bear's skin is actually black, and the hair, it looks white, but it's actually clear. The reason it looks white is because of the reflection from the snow. Um, polar bear babies are called cubs, and uh, most times there are two cubs born at a time. What else? They are huge animals. Absolutely. They weigh about 700 pounds. And they love to eat fish and sea mammals. So, and they live, polar means cold. Um, so, and extremely cold. So they live in a very cold climate in the Antarctic and Arctic areas. So I'm not sure who did this project. Normally there's a name, but I don't have a name. But nonetheless, well done. And then I have a project done by Gabby in room 209. She made an acrostic poem. What that means is that you take a word, whatever the word is, and you spell it downward. So if I use the word, let's say cat, C-A-T, I would then take the first letter, C, and I might say cute because cats are cute. And then the second letter, A, I would have to come up with something about cats that starts with an A. They're an animal, for example. And then T, I have to come up with something else about cats that begins with a T. They're terrific. I don't know. But anyhow, so that's what Gabby did. So she wrote her name and then she came up with adjectives. So adjectives are words that describe a noun for herself. And again, that's another way to get smart. All right, now let's move on to our Wordle and mystery number. So we already know that the Wordle is related to McVeigh every time. And we know that this week the Wordle has a first letter. That's the third letter of the alphabet. That's a C. The third letter of the alphabet is a C. A, B, C. Okay. So that's a C. Okay. Now, here's the next clue. This letter and this letter are vowels. And that vowel is not the most common vowel, but it is one of the vowels in our mystery number. Remember, this mystery number has 3 letters, and one of the letters is the same as these 2 letters, and all 3 letters are a vowel. All right. Tomorrow we're going to find out what that vowel is. And now it's time for our Mighty Kind Moment of the Day. Let's get our drum roll. Dun, dun, dun. So the Mighty Kind Moment of the Day is a shout out to Mr. Leek in our cafeteria, who is really working hard to make sure our lunch program goes very well. And so he took a good amount of time to create a new way for us to take lunch count. And so again, going above and beyond, that's what being kind is. Doing a little bit more, not just what's expected, but a little bit more. So thank you, Mr. Leek. And of course, boys and girls, every day is a great day to get smart and be kind to both each other and the earth. Let's have a wonderful day.